Hey, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. This is lesson 2 of Draw Bend Week. I've got another really cool exercise for you. Stick around. So this exercise is based around holes 3 and hole 2. The bends are mainly on hole 3, or all on hole 3 I should say, and 2 is just a landing note to sit between them. So let me play it nice and slow first for you, and then we'll talk about speeding it up. So they're all draw notes, and we can split them into sets of 4, a bit like the lesson in the first lesson of this week, but the last set of 4 is actually going to be a set of 3. So we'll just talk about that when we get to it. So the first set we've got, so we have draw 3 semitone bend, half step bend, and then 2 draw, and then the full step bend, full tone bend on 3 draw, and then 2 draw. So that 2 draw, notes 2 and 4 of these 4 sets, we're alternating that and changing the bend. So it's really good practice for being precise on those notes and checking it with the tuner or with another instrument to see that you're in tune. The second set of 4, we're going to go second bend on 3, up to the first bend, down to the second bend again, and then to the 2 draw. Okay, so the first 3 notes are all bends, and I'm not playing them, especially when I speed it up, I'm not playing them as staccato, distinct notes. I'm actually... I'm kind of bending up and down between them. It works better, it sounds nice, I think. It gives it a kind of country blues sort of sound. And if you try and make them really staccato, especially fast, I mean, you know, it's good practice at getting that, but I don't think it sounds quite as cool. Third line is the same as the first line, so that's good. And then the final bit, which is not 4 notes but 3, we've got, so first bend on 3, second bend on 3, and then the 2 draw to finish. Or, by that point, you might want to put a 3 blow in there. That said, you could do the whole thing on 3 blows. Let me give it a go. I'm sure I'll mess it up. So that's using 3 blows instead of 2 draw. It works, and actually it's easier to balance your air. That said, it's good practice to do all these draw notes. I said in my last lesson that if you're struggling to play a lot of draw notes, it might be to do with your ability to breathe through the instrument. So check out my lesson on breathing properly on the harmonica. Anyway, let's have a go at playing that now together. I'll count it on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anna. Okay, I was running out of breath a little bit at the end there because I played it through twice on draw notes, but you should be able to get to that point. It's actually easier to play it a few times if you're playing it faster, obviously, because you're not holding the notes as long. So let's have a little go at playing it faster, although, as I always say with these practices, it's not about speed, but let's have a little go at playing it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go a little bit faster than that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was running out of air by the end and I actually went to a 3 blow. You could play it faster and faster than that, but it's not about the speed with these, it's about the precision. Please think of it as a practice for those notes. I think it sounds pretty cool, but really it's about trying to get those bends on 3 in this exercise as precise as possible. So make sure you're checking those and seeing that you're in tune. This was exercise 2 of Draw Bend Week. I'm going to be back with another lesson tomorrow. Before you go, click like, share with your friends, and also subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. I will be back with my final lesson of the week with another really cool draw bend exercise for you tomorrow. I hope to see you then.